Hey lovely people, Coupon and Crystle here. Welcome back to my channel, guys. I thank you so much for tuning in. Today I decided to do the midweek harvest bonus with Ibotta. That's going to be 12 rebates giving me back $5. So I want to share it with you guys, show you guys what I got. I got some new rebates that I have not done before, and you know how I feel about food rebates, okay? Now we've got to do some shout outs. We've got to shout out KK, Melissa, and Erica with the K, all right? Thank you guys so very much for signing up with my Ibotta referral code. I appreciate that so very much. That's so thoughtful. It enables Coupon and Crystle to do more couponing to be able to bring you guys more coupon deals, okay? All right, so thank you so very much, guys. And shout out to all my lovely people that always watch my videos. I appreciate you guys so much. Y'all make this so fun. I love my coupon tribe, okay? Let's get into these deals. All right, let's start with these rebates. First of all, I did get a head of cabbage. That's not going to be included in the total for this deal. However, I did pay for it with my Ibotta money. That's what you need to do, guys. Mix in what you need to purchase, and that way you're still saving money. Okay, so the first thing I got was the Chobani Flips. They are priced $1.22 each. For this particular rebate, you must buy the 4, which is a total of $4.88. It's going to give you back $2.44, making the final cost be $2.44 for the 4. Great deal. Next thing that I got was the La yogurt smoothies. I've gotten these before. This particular cost was $3.32. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost be $2.32. I think that's a good deal. The next thing that I got, guys, was on the brown cow yogurt. I've gotten this before. This is the maple. It is a whole milk yogurt. For my husband, it's 96 cents in my store. There's a 25 cents Ibotta rebate, making the final cost be 71 cents. Next thing I got was the So Delicious dairy-free pairings key lime pie. It's a coconut milk yogurt alternative. You know, it looks very similar to the Chobani Flips. All right, so this was priced $1.58. There is a $1.15 Ibotta rebate, making the cost be 43 cents. I don't think that's bad. The next thing I got, guys, was my Kraft singles. I needed some sliced cheese, so I said, shoot, I might as well get a rebate, pay for it with Ibotta money. Even swap ain't no swindle. So the Kraft cheese was $3.28, 50-cent Ibotta rebate, final cost $2.78. I was gonna buy cheese anyway. And there's some type of bonus on these, okay, for buying some other things. I think it's like Campbell's soup or something like that. The next thing I got was my Gold Peak tea. I buy this product anyway, so I really thought this was a great rebate to do. $2.18 for a 52 ounce, 50 cent back, makes the cost be $1.68 for some Gold Peak tea. I'm gonna buy anyway. The next thing I got, guys, was the Pepsi Zero. I got this because it's freaking free, guys. It's $1.25 in my store. There is a $1.25 rebate coming back, making it absolutely free. So I had to get that. And then the next rebate is on the Mountain Dew Zero, okay? Same thing. It's $1.25. The rebate for $1.25, making it be absolutely free. Good deal to me. Next thing I got was on the Swanson's chicken broth. It's 98 cents. There is a 50-cent coupon that was in this past Sunday's inserts. I do believe it's Smart Source. I will insert a picture, making me pay 48 cents in store. I got back a 50-cent rebate, making it be a 2-cent moneymaker. I'll take it however I can get it. This time I got beef. The other times I've been getting chicken, so I wanted to get something a little different. Had to get my cheese, my Kraft mac and cheese. I got to get it. 98 cents, 20-cent rebate, cost 78 cents. I'm going to keep on buying this non-perishable product that's going to last for a minute. The next thing I got, guys, was this chicken, okay? This is called Chef's Craft Gourmet. It's a chicken breast filet. It's a gluten-free, fully cooked, flame grilled chicken, okay? All right, so it's 16 ounces of chicken. So I had to try it. It's $6.46. There is a $3.50 rebate, making the cost be $2.96 for some chicken. First of all, I'm paying for it with our Ibotta money. So this is like free chicken. Y'all know how I feel about food rebates. We gonna do the food rebates, okay? The next thing that I got was an even better deal, okay? Because y'all know how my husband is about this plant and protein stuff. Incognito Morningstar Farms has some chicken nuggets, all right? So they were priced $5.27. The rebate is for $5. So this was 27 cents. I think that is a great deal, guys. Okay, so there you see it. So I think there are some other products that can possibly qualify for this rebate. So they're listed on the rebate. So scan, check it out. All right, so let's get into the numbers for this good little haul. Now, of course, I told you guys that I purchased the head of cabbage, so I'm not going to include that in the total for you all. So the total is $32.39 minus my head of cabbage. And I had a 50-cent coupon. Only one coupon was used for the chicken broth. Brought the cost down to $31.89. I did take a $5 Shopkick gift card and pay for part of this deal, which made my cost be $26.89. Now, what I got back from Ibotta was $17.64. One of those was a any rebate, the little 10-cent rebate. Make sure you're always clipping that. And my $5 harvest bonus, I did meet that. Made my total be $22.64 coming back, which made the final cost be $4.25. For 15 rebates, that's about 28 cents a rebate. That is amazing considering I got food. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below of the video if these deals were helpful for you. If you're going to do any of the rebates, I hope you are. I didn't have any Shopkick this time. I kind of hated that. I want Shopkick to add some more. They need to add some more stuff so I can get some more stuff. I need to take a second look at them and see if it's anything else that I want to go and get, guys. But I was quite pleased with my food haul. I consider that like a food haul. And I was able to get cabbage, something I was going to get anyway. Kraft cheese slices, I was going to get that anyway, guys. And I got some chicken nuggets for my husband. So I texted him and told him, because he texts me every night, good night. And I told him, I was like, I got you some plant-based chicken nuggets. He was like, how do they taste? I was like, IDK, I don't know. Okay. So you guys, if you all have tried the Incognito chicken nuggets, plant-based chicken nuggets, that is, let me know in the comments below so I can let my husband know whether or not they're good or not, so I know whether I need to do that rebate again, guys. I do like to get him, probably the next time, I'll perhaps get the one that looks like ground beef, because like when we do hot dogs, I want to be able to, make him some chili. All right, guys, that's it. If you haven't already hit subscribe, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications so you know when I want to come on here and post a video. Do a live chit chat. Say hey, say hi, okay? All right, I'm gone. Bye.